I'm Nick Hummel with Spartan Emergency Response, Director of Sales. I'm here at FDIC 2025, and I'm here with White Cloud Fire, which is our S-180 product. The S-180 program is a modular design that can be delivered in 1 year or less. We initially developed this program to meet the needs of fire departments that were looking at aging fleets. With lead times out as far as 800 days today, we wanted to provide something that we can turn very quickly. The modular refers to the chassis built, that's built in our plant in Charlotte, Michigan. The body is built at the same time, so by the time it gets to our plant in Brandon, South Dakota, the body is ready to go and it can be set on the vehicle. These move very quickly through production. There's a benefit to both us and the customer. They're able to get a truck faster and more economically, and we're able to build more of them. So it's a solution on both ends. What we want to showcase is that because it's a modular program doesn't mean that there's a lot of restrictions. You're still getting the MetroStar cab, 425 tires, Alcoa wheels. The entire interior is the same as a full custom truck. The cab chassis really doesn't change a whole lot. What we're doing is predetermining the body so it can be built ahead of time and ready for the chassis when it arrives on site. We've got a top mount pump. This comes in a couple different configurations. We also have side mount pumps as well. Essentially any type of configuration you could think of. We have 16 models right now, so we've tried to cover a lot of the models, a lot of the country. We're obviously still working through that. There are new models coming out. Just recently, we released the aerial S-180. We have a 77-foot aerial and a 107-foot aerial that follows the same program. We're able to build those quicker and build them more economically for our customers. So our goal here is to get them pumpers and aerials much faster than the rest of the market or what we've been able to historically. As I mentioned before, we're working on new models. One of our newest was developed for the West Coast, but has been taken across the rest of the country. That's a low hose bed model. So as you can see, our hose bed's quite high here. This has traditionally been our S-180 product. As of recent, we do have low hose bed model available as well. As we move in here, we talk about options, and I wanted to point out this truck has a refrigerator installed. There are options, but you're not restricted in a lot of those options. We just need to make sure that we're building what we can build efficiently. We've been doing this for obviously a very long time. We're celebrating our 50th anniversary here on the chassis side. Body side goes back to Laverne days, you know, the early 1900s. We do rely on our dealers a lot. Our dealers are our feet on the ground. They talk to the customers every day. They know what the customers want and need. And when we call them or we're looking at setting up a new model or changing a model, we work with our dealers to understand what's the market looking for, what do they need. All over the country, we tried to find, you know, the Northeast, out West, Texas models. We worked with the dealers, we worked with the customers to come up with models that worked for their area. Our goal is to sell these all over the country. We recognize that there's an issue with lead times and cost, and this is our solution to that.